You're constantly tired, get sick often, and your mood is all over the place. But what if the real problem isn't stress or sleep? What if your body is silently screaming for vitamin D? Today, we'll uncover 7 silent signs of vitamin D deficiency that most people ignore, and how to fix it before it leads to serious health issues. Vitamin D is often called the sunshine vitamin because your body makes it when your skin is exposed to sunlight. But with indoor lifestyles, sunscreen, and pollution, millions of people are now deficient, and they don't even know it. 1. Frequent illnesses. Getting colds, coughs, or infections too often. Vitamin D strengthens your immune system. Low levels make you vulnerable to viruses and bacteria. 2. Constant fatigue. Even after a full night's sleep, you feel drained. Vitamin D helps your body convert food into energy. Without it, you crash. 3. Back or bone pain. Your bones hurt, especially in your lower back or joints. That's because vitamin D is needed for calcium absorption and bone strength. 4. Low mood or depression. You're feeling down or irritable without reason? Vitamin D affects mood-regulating chemicals like serotonin. Low D, low motivation. 5. Hair loss. Shedding more hair than usual? It's not always stress. Vitamin D helps hair follicles stay active. 6. Slow healing wounds. That small cut taking forever to heal? Vitamin D supports skin cell regeneration and immune response. 7. Muscle weakness or aches. Struggling to lift simple things. A deficiency in vitamin D can cause muscle fatigue and weakness, especially in the legs. How to fix it? The best way to get vitamin D? Daily sunlight exposure, 15 to 30 minutes. But if you live in colder regions or have darker skin, a high-quality supplement can help. We've linked the best-rated D3 plus K2 formula in the description below. Which of these symptoms do you have? Let us know in the comments. If you want to catch more silent signs your body is sending, subscribe